Are you boring, sad, lonely, unnoticed by your friends? You need something that'll make you the talk of the town and have your friends just begging to be in your presence. Why don't you try making watermelon Jello shots? These will definitely do the trick. To make watermelon Jello shots, you only need 4 ingredients. 1 12 to 16 pound watermelon, 4 3-ounce boxes of watermelon Jello, 2 1-ounce boxes of unflavored gelatin, and 4 cups of vodka. Once you have the ingredients, you'll need the following kitchen supplies. 1 large bowl in which you will mix the Jello powder, another large bowl to scoop the watermelon into, a sheet tray to put the watermelon halves on, a measuring cup, a pot to boil water, a kitchen spoon, a whisk, and a chef's knife. To begin, we'll start with the preparation of the watermelon. First, use the chef's knife to cut the watermelon in half lengthwise, so that you are left with 2 equal halves. Make sure to place your support hand in a safe position on the watermelon to ensure no accidents occur with the chef's knife. If there is a flatter part of the watermelon, make that the base of one of your halves, so that they aren't rolling around as the Jello sets. Next, use the knife to slice all the way around the perimeter of the watermelon flesh, about 1 inch away from the rind. This will make the watermelon easier to scoop out. However, be careful not to pierce the skin of the watermelon, as this will result in Jello leakage and quite a large mess. Then, use the kitchen spoon to scoop out the meat of the watermelon into one of the large bowls. Scrape down the insides of each half so that the surface is relatively smooth, but try to leave about ½ inch of the red meat left on the rind. At this point, you should have 2 watermelon bowls ready to be filled with delicious, boozy Jello. Place the 2 watermelon bowls on the sheet tray. Depending on the size of the watermelon and the size of the sheet tray, you may need 2 separate sheet trays. Now, we start making the Jello. Pour all the watermelon Jello mix into the other large bowl. Also, add all the unflavored gelatin into the bowl as well and mix. While the watermelon Jello mix already has gelatin in it, it would not be enough gelatin for the slices to hold their shape. Since we want extra firm Jello slices that will hold their shape and look awesome, we add the extra unflavored gelatin to make this happen. Next, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Once boiling, combine the water and all the gelatin together and whisk until all the gelatin is dissolved. Then, add 4 cups of vodka and whisk again to ensure everything is mixed together well. Now, divide the Jello mixture between the watermelon bowls on the sheet tray. Once the bowls are filled, put them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to allow the Jello to completely set. After the Jello is set, remove the halves from the refrigerator. You may notice a small amount of shrinking that occurred with the Jello as it set, but that is okay. Now all that's left is the slicing. First, cut each half into slices lengthwise. Next, cut each big slice into 2 or 3 smaller wedges. And voila! You now have watermelon Jello shot wedges. Get ready to be the talk of the town when you serve these delightful treats to all of your amazed friends. They're so perfectly sized. They're so perfectly boozy. But most importantly, this fun improvement of a timeless college classic is perfect for any party where fun is encouraged. So, what are you waiting for? Go try it yourself. However, just don't forget to clean up after yourself. Make sure to wash your kitchen utensils so you can use them again to make more watermelon Jello shot wedges. For the bowl or pot that you use to whisk the Jello, water, and vodka together, you may want to use the dishwasher to make sure it gets a thorough cleaning.